Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is Wanted Daughter's Homecoming Ends in Chaos as Police Make a Surprise Visit. A surprise visit? I bet you ain't the surprise that she really wanted, man, but let's get into it.
That's a part of the Bible.
How's it going?
You guys not believe in Jesus?
You're under arrest.
Please don't tell me what to do. Leave me alone, dude. I don't like you. Can you get a different cop here? They just want to take me to jail so they can keep me hostage in there. Ow, I'm pregnant, dude. What are you doing?
On August 15th, 2023, officers responded to a residence to serve a warrant for a woman trespassing on her family's property.
Hello, Kayla.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good, kinda.
Good, kinda? All right, you know why I'm here?
No.
All right, got a warrant for your arrest.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
You can't, Daddy can't bomb me out.
What?
You can't bomb me out.
Oh, we'll get you out. Don't worry about all that.
Why can't you get me here right now? I didn't even, court's on the 18th.
It's, the warrant just came out a couple days ago. That's a different case, Kayla.
Well, I got my papers. No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's really not.
Kayla, don't even worry about it.
No, they told me the 18th. Oh, dude.
They told me.
How do they not get that I need a place for my kid? My birth. That's a part of the Bible.
How's it going?
What's up?
You guys not believe in Jesus?
I do, Kayla, but I need you to turn around, put your hands behind your back for me.
Put your hands behind your back.
In a minute.
Well,
No,
I'll get you
don't tell me
out.
what to do.
I'll get you out.
Don't tell me what to do.
Kayla, just turn around, put your
No,
hands behind your
don't
back,
tell me
please.
what to
You're
do.
under arrest.
Please don't
Okay?
tell me what to do. No. My court day is tomorrow. I have my paperwork.
Okay.
26177.
Can you bring a cop that I know here?
County, go ahead and start. Yes, I come on.
Dude, you're not going to touch me.
28
Kayla, stop. You're just going to catch you on the charge.
Bring a cop that you know. That means you're a regular. That's a problem, okay? That statement alone is a problem.
Don't do it.
Why are you recording? I don't give a fuck.
Kayla, come here. Stop.
Leave me alone, dude. Stop. Tell me to leave me alone. You think it's funny, dude. It's not funny. I don't give a fuck.
Kayla,
I'm
stop.
calling my mom. You think she'll get me right now?
Kayla,
No.
come on.
No. It's worse
Kayla,
if
stop.
you fight it. Leave me alone. Leave me the alone, dude. I'm not playing. Leave me alone.
Kayla, you're under arrest.
Leave me alone.
Stop.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Court is
Yes.
tomorrow on the 18th.
There is no court tomorrow.
Court is on the 18th. Yes, it is.
Today's the 15th.
I have my paperwork in my bag right here.
Trespassing your
I did not trespass.
failure to comply with
I did not trespass.
contempt of court.
Leave me alone
Kayla,
now.
stop. Stop. You're under arrest.
Leave me alone.
Stop.
Leave
Stop
me
now.
the alone, dude.
Stop, Kayla.
Leave me alone. You think this is go? Dude, get me off the camera.
County, have the step it up.
responding.
You got
I didn't do nothing wrong.
She wouldn't listen.
Okay.
Can you get the other cop here? I don't like you.
Kayla, stop it now.
I don't like you. Can you
Stop
get a
it
different
now.
cop here? I don't
Stop
want to
it
talk
now.
to you.
Stop it now.
I requested
Stop
for a
it now.
different cop.
There's no
I
other
do
cop.
not want you.
Stop it.
You guys got my bag.
You are under arrest.
You got my grandpa's birth certificate, dude. I'm not playing.
Stop it.
This
You're
is
under
bullshit.
arrest.
I did not do nothing wrong.
Turn around. You're under arrest.
No, I need you to get a different
Turn
cop
around.
here
You're
now.
under arrest.
I want a different cop here.
Turn around.
I want a different cop here now.
Turn around.
I want a different
Turn
cop
around.
here.
And you're under arrest.
I want a different cop here.
Kayla, do it.
There's the Eminem
Turn
magazine.
around.
There's the Eminem magazine and the Playboys too with the girl from
Kayla.
Israel.
Kayla.
No, I'm not playing. They just want to take me to jail so they can keep me hostage in there. In a cage. Just like here, what's the difference? All I'm trying to do is get a house for my son. And you guys
Kayla?
just don't want that. You
Kayla?
guys don't believe in
Step
God.
it.
You don't believe in anything. You guys
Step
are
over here,
demons.
Kayla. Kayla, step over here.
No.
Yes.
You're
step over
demons.
here.
You guys don't believe in Jesus, and you guys are gonna be punished.
Kayla.
Seriously, I'm dead serious. Why do you think the sun's right here?
I will get you out.
No! There's no reason I should be going to jail. My birthday's tomorrow. Dude, I'm not doing it. I left a quarter at the hospital when I had the baby. A quarter. Because I don't have money. What do they want from me? I want a house for my son. I can't have the one that looks like Eminem's album. Then I wanted the white one. And then I the Jesus lights up.
Oh boy. Yeah, man. Everybody shouldn't be reproducing, man. I just gotta keep it real. I gotta keep it real. I know Hey, some of y'all gonna be hurt by that, but I'm just saying. Everybody can't reproduce, man. I'm trying to tell you, man. You got no money, you got no house, you got nothing, but you brought a kid into this world. Oh.
There. The one that turned the light on for me. Yes, turn that light on in that house. I don't care. You stay out of it, dude. You're not even sticking up for me. You think this is a joke and funny.
Second.
Okay, never mind.
Okay? No, I do not. I got court on the 18th.
Get a couple there so I can.
I know what it is. He told me. The dude told me.
Answer my radio.
Sorry, I thought you were talking. Take your time, do whatever you're gonna do.
Yes, her court is on the 18th, but when she
Yeah, that's.
Can you change the England call to please?
Here's Grandpa Dick's old house, the hashtag. This is the hashtag window. Yours is white except for the back one.
Why don't you just go with this man, please?
No, I want him to. He's not even asking me, or he's not even bringing. I need a loan to let
I
him know.
will get you out.
I don't want to be with him. I just want help. You guys are helping me get a house to get my kids. You help my kids. Let his dog bite on me and stuff, and you're just not even on my side. You let him take my kid, or tell him that I thought Eminem was my dad. No, I did not. The music relates to my life.
I'm sorry?
The cops are evil. Why do you think Grandpa's Arrowhead now? Red.
Hey.
Red velvet. Why am I by Arrowhead now? Mom has the blue one.
Hey, you wanted to play the game, right? Here you go.
I don't care. I'm
When
gonna ask Grandpa.
they had that shooting over there,
1526.
So she doesn't have a bond on this current warrant.
Dad's name, you're crying.
All right, go.
I'm so sorry.
It's for illegal entry.
I know, I figured it.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's your birthday.
Well, she's gonna learn. She
That's
don't
all right,
listen.
Mom. I'm
She
having
don't
fun.
wanna
I'm
pick up
out.
coke. She don't
Mom,
wanna do nothing.
don't worry about it. I'm worried for the love of it.
All right,
What are
if
you
you're
worried
a kid, do whatever. Not mine.
That's why I don't argue with police no more.
I've already been talking to you too. We're supposed to be getting out of here today. They said they had to stuff the house empty. I do not
I
know
like
where
Grandma.
my daughter, my sister is, to get a hold of her. I've been trying to bring this stuff out because I think they want it out of here and to sell it as all old stuff. I don't think we would share.
Grandparents are so sweet. Especially it'd be like the grandmas. Listen, I know you feel the same way. We are a lot closer with our grandparents, you know, grandmas and stuff, than our parents, you know. Look at this lady. She's just talking, blah, 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 blah. Like, you know, like, that's so cute.
But you didn't have to have a paper or something saying that's okay. You're on. Go ahead.
Okay.
Why?
All right, enough talking. Let's go.
What did I do wrong?
Time to get some action going.
Seriously, what did I do wrong?
Open the door.
What did I do wrong?
Open the door.
I don't want to go with you guys. You guys are weird. I don't want to go.
I don't know. You got a key for the front door or not?
Look,
Okay.
Court's not till the 18th. I did not have a warrant. Dude, they said the 18th.
I just got it a few minutes ago.
See? The 18th at 8:30.
Open the door and we can talk about it.
No, you guys are trying to arrest me. I don't want to be handcuffed.
Oh, you won't be handcuffed. Just open the door.
I got my own fucking handcuffs.
All right.
I don't want to be handcuffed.
We won't handcuff you. Just open the door.
Strange.
I don't even have handcuffs off me.
Like that all the time.
Just open the door and we can talk about it.
There's so many cops. What did I do wrong?
We're going to explain that to you here in a second. Just open the door.
The 3 white mailboxes and the 3 black ones. Why can't you just read my message to you guys?
Are you going to open the door or do you want us to go in there?
I don't want to call my mom first.
Stay right there for me, sir. I can just have you stay back there for me, sir.
Huh?
Go ahead, just have you wait up there for a minute.
I told him I was going in the back door. He just told me I could. Cop me up front.
Yeah, I didn't get any of that information.
Well, no matter. Like I said, it's all on video anyway. So.
What's that? What's all on video?
All this.
Okay. I got a body camera on. He's got one on.
Yeah, I got
We got dash cams.
I got house cameras too.
Sweet.
Something in unknown accident. CI.
If you can go to the back with Craig, I think we're going to try to go through the back.
I said that. Oh, he's gonna not
You didn't do anything wrong. You never trying to help. I'm not.
Yeah, they're advising.
Why? Literally, why? You guys aren't even answering me. You guys are acting like this is a joke. You guys just took the dude I was talking to jail.
I'm good if you want.
Harrison told me to come back here with you.
I almost ran the Lobos over coming in here. Wouldn't get out of my fucking.
Yeah. She's at the front door.
Who is it?
I don't know who it is.
I don't even know who we're going there.
She looks like a blonde.
You guys just took him to jail. That's his bike over there.
You understand we're gonna get in here one way or another, so you
Why
can just.
are you guys not listening to me? You guys are not even listening to anything I say.
We're gonna listen to you once you open this door, okay?
Can you bring Lucas Simmons?
No, Lucas Simmons isn't coming.
One of you to venture over to Winchell and Broadway for the crossing guard. I do not have a PE unit on. 6 will take that.
That's wrong.
Thank you. We were supposed to be there at 15:25.
Did she lock the back door too?
That's what I said. That's why I'm telling you this opens the
6 here. Next on New Street, East Banner.
Did she lock those two now?
Still trying to negotiate it here, Connie.
She might have locked them.
No,
Tried everything in my power to help her. Told her we'd help sell some of the stuff to help for the baby.
We got the back covered, so.
The back door
Thanks,
open?
Sergeant.
The back door should be open.
And this one?
I don't know if mine. This is a bedroom, but it's kind of small. And she's behind her.
I can go in there if you want me.
Go on, go on, Mike.
Come on, give me a lift.
Connie, you got the, Craig, you got the
I
back covered?
always keep that
We're gonna
one,
be making
that
entry through the
one.
window.
Back door covered like
I can fix the screen if I can screen. I fix the
Oh, they mad now. What the? Oh, whoa! That place is filthy. What? No.
I can fix the screen if I can screen. I fix the
Bruh, that place is a train wreck. Come on, man. Grandma, come on, Grandma. Listen, I know you a little older now, but it look like you got some people living there with you now. You better get them to work. Cause that living room looks crazy. Look at the bedroom. Oh no, look at this. What? Got the old school TV in 2024, huh? Wow. Wow. That place is filthy, boy.
Come on already. She's in here. Yeah. Just trying to get the door open without destroying it.
Don't even help me, dude. You're my parents. You guys don't even give a fuck about me. I didn't come back for at 8:30.
Let's go.
I'm talking to my mom, dude.
You're done. Turn around.
See?
Hands behind your
Mom,
back.
dude, I
Hands
didn't.
behind
Why are
your
you
back.
guys being
Hands
wrong?
behind your back.
Stop, dude. Mom, help me, dude. Ow. Why are you guys being rude?
You were being nice, Kayla.
Ow.
I got it.
Ow, I'm pregnant, dude. What are you doing? I really am, dude. You guys are hurting me. Ow. Mama. Can you please get out of my stomach?
Touch your stomach, Kayla.
Can you give me my phone, please?
I'll get it. Get your phone. Let's go.
And my court papers?
I'll get
There's
it.
proof
Get it.
right there.
Get it, Kayla. I'll get it.
You guys
go.
are lying to me. I didn't even do nothing wrong.
Hey, hang outside. Hang outside.
You gotta take me to jail. That's my daughter. I don't give a shit.
You're not coming in.
So, that taser don't bother me either. I've been hit by that a couple times.
Look, you can step outside. She's got a warrant, man.
I know she's got a warrant.
Okay.
Still my daughter. It don't fucking matter.
I get it. I understand
If it was your
that.
daughter, it'd be the same fucking difference.
Well, I'd let the
matter.
police still do what they got to do.
Yep, like I said, and you guys do what you want to do when you want to.
Yep.
Make your own, you know, let people go for this and take the other person for this. Let them go on a motherfucking warrant they had the night before, take them the next day.
Oh man, damn. I know grandma be like, damn, where did I go wrong, man? I bet grandma back in the day, she was all right. She was on top of her A game. Now she in her older years, you know what I mean? So it's like, it's like, fuck it, you know what I mean? But the son, her father, he's a complete dink. You could tell he's dealt with the cops a couple times, and the apple don't fall too far from the goddamn tree.
What did I do wrong, guys?
Kayla, you have a warrant for your arrest. I told you that.
You talk instead of rushing me?
I did see her
Why are
talking
you
to
guys
you.
trying
You
to
got up and
rush
ran
me?
away. I told you were under arrest after I explained it to you.
Dude, can you get that
You got up and ran away.
flag one? The baby! Oh my
Come on.
god! See, they just
Come
think
on,
this is funny!
Come on.
Why are you guys being so rude and stuff to me? I didn't even do nothing wrong. Why does all those cars at the antique shop match my top?
Don't match your tongue, Kayla.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Haven't done nothing wrong. I just want peace. That's all I want. I don't even want to be with nobody. I just want 8 kids in a house. I don't want to live with my family the rest of my life. That's all I really want. The hat even matches my backpack.
Okay.
Because I don't.
Okay. Have a seat. Relax.
And this is the sheriff's department. Go ahead and hang up.
The woman was charged with trespass, breaking and entering, illegal entry without owner's permission, larceny less than $200, and resisting an officer, felony.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.